In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from GoCrypto. There is two methods. One method is withdrawing funds into fiat currency. Another method is withdrawing funds into cryptocurrency. I will show you both today. Withdrawing funds from fiat currency. First, log in. Access. Make sure you can access your CryptoGo account via the CryptoGo app or platform. Navigate. Navigate to the withdrawals, then go to the home section and select withdraw. Enter. Enter your withdrawal details. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw and provide your bank account details. Confirm the withdrawal. Review your information and confirm the withdrawal request. Processing time. Payouts in fiat currencies are processed on specific accounting days, such as the 1st, 8th, 16th and 23rd of the month. The payout is executed 4 days after these accounting days. If an accounting day falls on a weekend or bank holiday, the transfer is made on the next day. Withdraw funds in cryptocurrency. Access. Access crypto balance. On the main dashboard, click on your crypto balance. Initiate withdrawal. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, then click the withdraw button. Enter. Enter withdrawal details. Input the amount to withdraw to an external wallet where you want to receive the funds. Confirm. Confirm the withdrawal with a link will be sent to your registered email. Click on the link to authorize the withdrawal. Processing time. Crypto process and payouts are paid instantly after confirmation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.